Okay, so we've talked about the very basics of buying and selling stocks and how you can make money when stocks go up or down. Now, you've never traded stocks before, so you're starting to understand the process, but where do you do it? Well, great question. First of all, you just need money, right? And you can start with a tiny amount. It doesn't really matter, but I suggest that you use a US-based brokerage. I use places like E-Trade, TradeStation, Thinkorswim, Charles Schwab. There's plenty online. I suggest you just use Google and figure out where you want to open your trading account. Or better yet, talk to your friends who do trade the market. Surely some of them will tell you their experiences and whether they like or dislike certain brokerages. So take a day or two to open an account and fund it, and then you'll be ready to trade. The important part is getting money into an account and getting an account open. Now, don't worry, you're not going to risk money yet, because all legitimate brokerage houses, well, they do something neat. They let you paper trade once you have an open account. So you don't have to risk real money on your very first trade. You can paper trade and take a few trades without risking real money. Or you don't have to trade a lot. Trade one share to start, make a few pennies or a few dollars. Don't risk big money till you get comfortable with the process. So as we learn to trade the stock market, we've got to take the basic steps to get you ready to change your life. Got more questions? Make sure you're following my Discord.